Hey guys, Tyler here, your Puzzle Master Insider, and today I'll be giving you an inside look at Pelikan's LUCIDA. Pelikan is a Czechoslovakian company that makes amazing wooden burr puzzles. The exotic woods, fantastic finishes, and tight moves that come from an attention to detail is second to none. The puzzle master, Alan Stein, insists that you won't find a better wooden burr puzzle than the ones made by Pelikan. The LUCIDA from Pelikan is designed by Osunori Yamamoto, and it's made out of wenge, which is this darker wood that runs outside the frame of the puzzle, and ash, which makes up the two inner pieces. Pelikan breaks down the moves needed to solve their puzzles into numbers separated by decimal places. The first number is often the largest and is the least amount of moves necessary to remove the first piece of the puzzle. The second number is the least amount of moves necessary to remove the second piece of the puzzle, and so on and so forth. The LUCIDA's moves number is as follows: 10.3 with rotation required, for a total of 13 moves to take the puzzle apart. Then you'll need to do those same moves in reverse to put the puzzle back together. The LUCIDA is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, which runs from 5 to 10. So this is the LUCIDA, and the first thing you'll notice is this little area here that says Pelikan 22/43. And that's telling you that in this run there's this is number 22 of 43 made. Pelikan does very limited runs on all their puzzles, so you won't find their stuff mass produced, but it is really incredibly well made, as I've said already. And this LUCIDA is an interesting one because when I opened it up, it came like this, and it was in kind of, like I said, in this state that is taken apart. And I thought maybe that was a mistake at first, but no, it comes like that, and the idea is that you put it together and then take it apart again if you want to. But I'll take the pieces apart here and show you. It does have this outer frame here, and I've checked, and it is a square, so these pieces do fit in every way, it would seem. And sometimes I wonder if these aren't like just small little bits out, but I know it does seem to fit in any way you put it. Some ways are a little bit tighter, but it all does fit together that way. So I won't show you any more. I don't want to show you the solution, but that is the LUCIDA from Pelikan. The LUCIDA is available at puzzlemaster.ca. That wraps up today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the Puzzle Master YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a very puzzling week.